Hello, good morning students, welcome back. After exam we are going to start with next syllabus which is left. For unit test 2 we did not take any grammar lessons, so first I am going to complete some lessons of grammar. So we are going to start with lesson number 11. The name of our lesson is the verb. Okay, now what do you understand by word verb? Verb is such a word which shows a action, which shows the action in the sentence. Here it is told now, a verb is a doing word or an action word. A verb is a doing word or an action word. It shows the action done by a noun. It shows what? It shows the action done by a noun. Now some examples are given. Which examples are given? The farmer works in the field. What does the farmer do? He works in the field. So which word is action in the sentence? Work. Okay, W-O-R-K, work. Correct. Teacher is teaching. Now what action I am doing? Teaching. So word teaching is what? Verb. Okay. Next one. The noun farmer is doing action work. What action the farmer is doing? The action which farmer is doing what? Working in the farm. Correct. If I will tell you some more sentences. The students play on the ground. The students play on the ground. When this question is when I say this sentence, which word is action in this sentence? Students is what? Students is noun, and play is what? It is verb. Play is what? Verb. Action in the sentence, the word which tells action in the sentence. For example, what more examples I can give you? The students watch the videos. The students watch the videos. Then watching is what? Watch is what? It is action which is done by students. So watch is what? Watch is verb. Understood? It is what? It is a verb. Now like that so many sentences are given in the book. Now we have to underline the verbs in the sentences. For first one, my father gets up at 5 o'clock. First one, my father gets up at 5 o'clock. Gets up is what? Gets up is verb. Getting up, it is an action done by father. Second one, the washerman washes our clothes. The washerman washes our clothes. Washes is what? Verb. It is an action done by washerman. Third one, the boy crosses the road. The boy crosses the road. Crosses is what? Crosses is verb. Action, crossing is done by whom? Boy. So crosses is what? Action word, means it is verb. Fourth one, the hen lays egg. The hen lays egg. Laying is what? Laying is an action. Correct or not? Ande diti komdi. Correct or not? Laying is an action done by hen. So it is verb. Fifth one, an artist draws draws picture. An artist draws pictures. So draws is what? Draws is verb. Understood? You have to underline these words in the sentence, okay, and write V downside. So you'll understand it is verb. Sixth one, the driver blows the horn. The driver blows the horn. Driver blows. Blowing is what? Action. Correct or not? There is a button and he blows that, he presses that button and a voice from the horn comes. So it is what blows the horn. Seventh one, Rama likes apples. Seventh one, Rama likes apple. What is his action? He likes. Liking is an action done by Rama. So likes is verb. Eighth one, Mrs. Sharma teaches English. Now what is action done by Mrs. Sharma? Teaching is action done by Mrs. Sharma. So teaches is what? Action word. Next one, write down the verb for each of these pictures, choosing from the box given below. Now boy, what is doing? Walk. So write down W-A-L-K, walk. What this girl is doing? She is writing something in a book. So write, W-R-I-T-E, write. In third picture, what this boy is doing? He is catching ball. So what is third action which is done by a boy? Catch. So C-A-T-C-H, catch. Fourth action, what is there? Cutting the bread. So what it is? C-U-T, cut. And last one, fifth one, there is a bell. It rings. So what is action done? R-I-N-G, ring. In this way, we have completed our lesson number 11, action words. Keep in mind the words which shows action in the sentence, or which a word which is doing action in the sentence, that words are called action words, like run, jump, sit, laugh, sneeze. Now I just sneezing I did, correct now? Sneeze, dance, sing, eat, sit, sleep. These are all which words? These all words are action words. Understood? Please complete, underline verbs in the book of in your English grammar book. Understood? In this way we have completed one lesson. Tomorrow we will start with lesson number 12. Okay? Thank you.